Hello, my name is Jenny Smith. I am a networking strategist, founder of Networking Know Who, and welcome to this week's 2-minute big fat networking tip of the week. So the tip of the week this week is be proactive. So start thinking about how you can network outside of networking events. Networking isn't just about attending an event, either going along digitally, virtually, or in person and chatting to people. That's just a tiny little part of it. What we need to be doing is being proactive outside of events and start thinking about how we can network then. So how can you bring the people together that are in your network already? How can you connect them? Who can you introduce? Who could do business together? Who could help each other? Who have got the same sense of humor? Who likes the same kind of films? Whatever it is, start connecting people and being proactive and adding that value to the people that are already in your network. Giving your time is the biggest thing you can do. So that's what as humans we value most, when people give their time. So have a catch up with people, nurture the relationships that you've already got in your network. How can you support someone if they're starting out in a business? How could you be there for them? Just give them a little bit of your time and it will go a massively long way. And make sure that all in all, when you're being proactive in your networking activities, you're adding value to people. Because when you add value, you become someone that's valuable for others to know. More people will want to know you, want to help you and support you. So make sure you're adding value by doing those things for other people and being proactive in your networking activities. So there we go, people. That is this week's 2-minute big fat networking tip of the week.